You can use fake standby app to save your phone's battery when you're using your phone, but you're also doing an activity where you don't need to see the phone's display. All you need to do is to download the app from the link given in the description, open it and give it accessibility permissions. Then all you need to do is to tap on this icon and you can access it from the quick tiles as well. So the use case would be, let's say you're just listening to music from YouTube and you want your screen to turn off without using YouTube Premium, then you can have your screen off with this application. To turn the screen back on, you can tap with 4 fingers on the screen or swipe up from the bottom. Okay, so the next app is Retro Music, and if you're still one of those people who prefer to listen to offline music downloaded on their phones, then you should definitely check this out. This app has proper material design and everything is sleek and clean. If you go into settings, you can actually customize the music player and set it according to your mood. You won't be seeing ads on this app, so it becomes a really cool application for listening to music offline. So make sure to check this one out. Now the next app is called Tap It Wallpapers. If you're a fan of abstract wallpapers like me, but you also want a little customization, then this is the app for you. You can design your own wallpapers. If you swipe left from the screen, you can see that it's changing the colors and giving us different cool options. And if you swipe right from the screen, you can see it changes patterns. And to get random wallpapers with random colors and patterns, just swipe up and down on the screen. You can even go into settings and pick the pattern and color of your own choice. And as soon as you click on this check mark button, your wallpaper will be added to your home screen. Be sure to check out this app as well. Moving on to the next app, that will be Safe Headphones. Now this app is for those people who use wired headphones and don't have features like noise cancellation or transparency mode. With this app, you can turn on transparency mode for your wired headphones as well, so that you can also hear what is going on around you. Next app is a minimal launcher which is called Quasitso. The layout for this launcher is so minimal. Basically the idea is to help you get more productive. The way it works is that you have to set it as a default launcher and this is gonna be your main home screen. It's completely empty. If you tap on clock, it will simply open up your clock app. You can find your apps with the search bar on the top. You can also trigger the search bar by swiping down from the screen. If you swipe up from the home screen, you will see some widgets here. You can add more or edit the existing ones. The search bar is so intuitive that you can not only search apps but also search your files or anything you want to find on the internet. Then you can go into settings and change the appearance, widgets and gestures, etc. So if you want to get a break from the traditional built-in launchers or the one that we mostly use like Lova launchers, then you should definitely check this one out. Alright, now the next in the list is Photo Tools. You can find this app on Play Store. First of all, the UI is really good. You can fulfill all your photo needs with this app. It will give you the option to compress images. You can crop the images, even convert images format like from JPEG to PNG. It will give you different options for resizing like according to pixels or percentage. Then you can crop your images into a perfect square for Instagram. Now this is a really cool option. With color picker you can extract colors from your images, like literally every color in your photo. As a designer myself, I am much more fascinated by this feature. You can extract color palette from any photo. Then you can try super zoom feature. It's a really cool option and the good thing, it doesn't have too many ads, so you should definitely check that out as well.
Okay, next up we have is Icon Pack, and it's called Art Icons Lite. It has more than 6200 icons, so the chances are that you might get the icon for every app in your phone. It has really cool design language. All of the icons are in the outline style. It gives a very clean and minimal look to your Android device. Choose a light wallpaper from Tap It or use it with Quasitso launcher. It will look really cool with these apps. And now for our final app, which is called Blook, and it's a game. It's basically a puzzle based game. You can play it anywhere while you're traveling or waiting on someone or something. You basically have to take the role of this black cube and you have to move it to the next platform by jumping it forward. If you land exactly in the middle, then you will score some extra points. It keeps getting difficult as you progress, but I think it is something that you should definitely try out. Alright, so you will find links of all the applications in the description down below. Make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to the channel and the bell notification icon. Alright, thanks for watching guys, take care and stay safe, and I'll see you in the next one.